Malus is a genus of about 30-55 species of small deciduous trees or shrubs in the family Rosaceae, including the domesticated orchard apple, also known as the eating apple, cooking apple, or culinary apple. The other species are commonly known as crabapples, crabtrees, or wild apples. The genus is native to the temperate zone of the northern hemisphere. Apple trees are typically 4-12 meters tall at maturity, with a dense, twiggy crown. The leaves are 3-10 centimeters long, alternate, simple, with a serrated margin. The flowers are borne in corymbs and have 5 petals, which may be white, pink, or red, and are perfect, with usually red stamens that produce copious pollen and a half-inferior ovary. Flowering occurs in the spring after 50-80 growing degree days. Many apples require cross-pollination between individuals by insects. These are called self-sterile, and therefore self-pollination is impossible, making pollinating insects essential. There are a number of cultivars which are self-pollinating, such as Granny Smith and Golden Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.